got a cold front that is moving across the region right now. Hard to pick it up on the radar, but you'll notice right across areas just northwestern Colorado. That's actually where that cold front is located. So just areas just west of Steamboat Springs is where we're looking at that next cold front. I'll turn on the surface analysis for you so you can see it there. What I do want you to focus on as well is the system that is off towards parts of the Pacific, and that is south of the Gulf of Alaska. I want to point this system out to you because this will be the next system that will be moving through our region by the weekend. And before it does so, it is going to give us some strong winds on Friday. I know that's not what you want to hear, but Friday we could have some blowing dust and the potential for damaging winds yet again. So the winds we're dealing with right now are not of the damaging wind criteria. Some 30 to 40 mile an hour gusts ahead of this front, mainly across parts of the San Juans, the Central Mountain Valley, Salida, probably getting a good 40 mile an hour gust coming through right now. And our winds will stay elevated through this evening, and as a result we'll keep high fire danger in the forecast until about 9 p.m. About a 35 mile an hour gust there in Colorado Springs, about a 45 to 50 mile an hour wind just around the San Luis Valley ahead of that cold front. Cold front will kick up a few little showers and even some high elevation mountain snow as we move through the overnight hours tonight. A cold front pushes across I-25 early tomorrow morning, giving us a reinforcing shot of milder air. So it's not going to be, I wouldn't even call it noticeably cooler tomorrow. Just nice and comfortable, not too hot. You won't start sweating. You can be outside in the sunshine for a period of time before you're going to feel a little toasty. Temperatures, again, into the 60s and 70s tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds on Wednesday afternoon, and then we are looking at those winds increasing by Thursday. But before that, enjoy the afternoon tomorrow, 68 in Monument, 65 in Woodland Park, upper 70s there in eastern Fremont County. We were into the upper 80s, and we still are across the southeastern plains. We are looking at about a 10-degree cool down for tomorrow. Let's take you through Thursday. Thursday, about a 20 to 25 mile an hour gust. We're calling it breezy, just a little breezy. Nothing is going to be of the damaging wind criteria. But then you got to get ready for Friday. It's going to be a little bit of a different ball game. Now, we wouldn't call it 80, 90 mile an hour, but 50, 60, that's considered to be damaging wind criteria. And that could blow some dust around here across the southeastern plains, giving us the potential for blowing dust advisories. So wind, isolated storms, very, very isolated, which means the moisture really won't override the fact that lightning could strike our dry fuels and cause maybe a few little brush fires. So that's going to be the concern for Friday. And again, that blowing dust. Those winds really ramp up after about noon on Friday, 40 to 50 mile an hour winds before starting to taper off late Friday nights and kind of staying elevated through the weekend time frame. Temperatures will be in the 70s to low 80s on Thursday and a little bit warmer for Friday. Notice the gusty winds that really move in before we get that unsettled weather for the weekend. That's all part of the same system. So the winds will be the first component, and then we'll start to get the chance for a few showers through the weekend. It will not be widespread precipitation, but just a few little stray showers and even a few thunderstorms possible for the weekend time frame with still some breezy conditions across the region. Otherwise, Wednesday looks nice and pleasant. Gorgeous, calmer winds, and then a little breezy on Thursday, and this downright windy on Friday. Back to you guys.
More winds. All right, Mary. Thank you.